How you doing? I'm Will Wing with Infinity Land Surveying. We're out here doing a 10-acre ALTA boundary and topographic survey on this lot here. Got my partner here, Chad at the Alva from
Light Force Media. We're a full service UAS provider. Today we're in some Class 2 airspace, so we're doing this all under Part 107 regulations.
most vertical area that I've got is 1,600. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and use one of the tokens here. So it says I have 3 tokens left. Get on here, it's going to ask us, do you want to use a token to turn on extreme accuracy? Are you sure? Yes, we are. Okay, and then it gives you a countdown. You have 24 hours.
Okay. Yeah, it just dropped.
Right? Yeah, you can see we're just, so now, we're still not in a like design survey mode yet. So we're going to go ahead and hit our in-trip mode. It's not connected, so we're going to connect it. And we already have preloaded the network ID and the mount point. And when all these light up green, now look at your accuracy. So that's 4 centimeters, and the longer we sit here, it's going to go down. There we go. So
Yeah, closing it.
it's a lake. Not in the flood zone. I don't know what else you want me to do. A cross section here using the rapid collection mode. I'll show you how quickly it is. Hit the button, collect, put in our description, which is just like texting. So once you put in the description, you can copy it. Boom. Typing in CDC. Gut. Split. minutes, not even 1 minute. And you multiply this times about cross-section area reading 45, 50 feet. And you're going to pick up all the topo that you need to get this supplemental for your drone, for your topo, anything that you're going to need supplemental topo for. You're going to be able to jump out of the truck, pick your phone out, and just start your out points.